Welcome to our video review of the Ooni Karu 16 Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. In this video, we will introduce you to the Ooni Karu 16 and highlight its exceptional features and benefits. Whether you're looking to cook delicious pizzas, roast meats, or bake bread, the Ooni Karu 16 is the perfect outdoor cooking companion. Let's get started. Today, we have an exciting product to share with you, the Ooni Outdoor Pizza Oven. If you love cooking and enjoy spending time outdoors, this is the perfect appliance for you. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the Ooni Karu 16 and explore why it has become a favorite among outdoor cooking enthusiasts. So, let's jump right in. The Ooni Karu 16 is a truly versatile outdoor pizza oven. One of its standout features is its multi-fuel capabilities. You can choose between wood, charcoal, or gas as your preferred fuel source. This flexibility allows you to adapt the oven to your cooking style and preferences. Whether you enjoy the traditional flavor of wood-fired pizza or the convenience of gas, the Ooni Karu 16 has got you covered. With its easy-to-use fuel attachment system, you can quickly switch between fuel options, making it incredibly convenient. Another great feature of the Ooni Karu 16 is its portability. Weighing just 26.5 kilograms, this oven is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you want to take it to a friend's backyard party or on a camping trip, the Ooni Karu 16 is designed for on-the-go cooking. Its foldable legs and detachable chimney make it even more convenient to carry. You can pack it up, throw it in the trunk of your car, and take it wherever your culinary adventures lead you. One of the most impressive features of the Ooni Karu 16 is its ability to cook delicious pizzas in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 60 seconds. The oven reaches temperatures of up to 500 degrees Celsius (932 degrees Fahrenheit) within 15 minutes, thanks to its innovative design and efficient insulation. The stone baking board ensures that your pizzas come out with a perfect crispy crust every time. Whether you're cooking for a small gathering or a large party, the Ooni Karu 16 delivers consistent and mouth-watering results. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or going on a camping trip, the Ooni Karu 16 is the perfect companion. It weighs just 26.4 pounds, 12 kilograms, and comes with a carry cover, making it easy to transport. The oven's sturdy construction ensures durability, so you can enjoy cooking delicious pizzas for years to come. It's a true investment for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. In conclusion, the Ooni Outdoor Pizza Oven is a must-have for anyone who loves pizza and outdoor cooking. Its versatility, exceptional heat retention, and user-friendly design make it a top choice in the market. With this oven, you can unleash your inner pizzaiolo and impress your friends and family with restaurant-quality pizzas. So, why wait? Get your Ooni Karu 16 today and elevate your outdoor cooking game. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.